Did you know that ADHD is one of the most common diagnosed neurodevelopment disorders in children? Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder affects approximately 10% of children, and about 8% of adults are impacted in their lifetime. The rates for ADHD have been increasing in the past decade. This is for a variety of reasons. Sure, there is more awareness. There's also becoming less stigma with mental health, but there's also environmental and other factors that many physicians, especially in psychiatry, may not be aware of. In this episode of the Essential Oil Revolution podcast, you will discover how Dr. Stoychev is transforming people's brains with ADHD. You'll also learn more about the many aspects of mental health and ADHD that many are not familiar with. He is a brilliant physician and he offers a unique, compassionate, accessible, inclusive perspective to how he treats his patients. He integrates his training in natural and conventional psychiatric care to access all the underlying factors as to why someone's brain is imbalanced. He's a licensed naturopathic doctor and registered dietitian. We discuss many things about ADHD in this episode and many misconceptions that many are not aware of. We talk about his background in nutrition and naturopathic medicine, why mental health is a key foundation in wellness, an overview of ADHD, including why it's often missed, and especially in females. We also discuss an area many doctors are not paying attention to in relationship to the brain, and that's the way that cortisol impacts it, or the stress hormone. We also discuss how hormones impact mental health in general, and this connection between ADHD and premenstrual dysmorphic disorder, or PMDD. We also discuss the foundations of health which support someone with brain imbalances such as ADHD and PMDD, how to optimize sleep in relationship with ADHD, discuss different nutrients that can support the brain of someone who's struggling with ADHD, and especially talk about the link between the gut and the brain and how this relates to ADHD. Also discuss stress factors and why decreasing stress is so important for overcoming ADHD. And of course, we focus on essential oils for focus, memory, and circulation. We discuss things such as lavender to help calm down anxiety because people with ADHD often have co-occurring psychiatric disorders such as anxiety, depression, and sleep disorders. We also talk about his amazing DIY hack that relates to essential oil diffusion. In one study, it was shown to boost memory by 226% in the people who used aromatherapy versus controls. So you definitely want to tune into this episode of the Essential Oil Revolution. Make sure that you search it on your favorite podcast player, or if you're watching this video, be sure to click on the link in the video description. And while you're there, please make sure you subscribe and provide your feedback and rating to the podcast. It helps us help you, and it also allows us to keep getting incredible guests like Dr. Stoychev on the show, and also brings more attention so that other people have this powerful information as well. Thank you so much, and I'll be back soon.